In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date range comparison in Looker Studio. Adding these date range comparisons can significantly enrich your data analysis, providing valuable context for metrics by showing how they change over time or compared to previous time frames. Whether you're analyzing weekly sales trends or evaluating yearly growth, these visual indicators make it easier to grasp performance at a glance. Let's dive right in. First, you need to start with the right chart. In Looker Studio, not every chart type has built-in support for date range comparisons. Consider selecting a time series, table, area chart, or a scorecard, as these are specifically designed to accommodate these useful comparisons. Bear in mind that while other chart types, like pie charts or geographic maps, might enhance data visualization in other ways, they do not support date range indicators for this particular function. Once you've identified and selected a compatible chart, the next step is to navigate to the Setup panel. You'll find this on the right-hand side of your screen when you're editing your chart. It's crucial to be in this tab because it controls the fundamental setup requirements for your chart, including aesthetic tweaks and, of course, data comparisons. Now, scroll down until you locate the default date range section. This is where you'll see optional fields like Comparison Date Range, which is pivotal for this task. The ability to compare different time periods is housed right here, and understanding how to use it effectively is key to enhancing your data's storytelling capability. Next, it's time to decide what kind of comparison best fits your needs. Click on the Comparison Date Range field, and a list of options will pop up. If you select None, no comparison will be shown, which is not what we're aiming for today. Choose Previous Period if you want to compare your current data set with the period immediately before it, like this week against last week. Alternatively, Previous Year will line up your chosen date frame with the same period from the last year, which is particularly useful for seasonal trends. For more control, opt for Fixed, which allows you to set custom date ranges manually. And if your analysis requires even more complexity, the Advanced option lets you configure intricate comparisons, including rolling windows or aligned timeframes. Once you've made your choice, be sure to click Apply to effectuate the changes. With these settings activated, your chart will now display visual indicators that represent your chosen date range comparison. In tables, this results in an extra column usually labeled with % changes, often marked as %D, accompanied by intuitive up or down arrows to show increases or decreases. For scorecards, you will typically see a small arrow next to the metric, color-coded, green for increases and red for decreases, alongside a percentage difference. By following these steps, you can add insightful date range comparisons to your Looker Studio charts, elevating how you visualize and interpret your data. Happy analyzing!